y'all, I am coming out of Sam's Club. I got the famous birthday cake sundae thing. I'm gonna try it in the car, but this is all I got. I'm gonna put my order on the screen for y'all to show y'all what I got out of Sam's. I had a thing of chicken legs for dinner tonight, 3 cases of the Pure Life water, and this keto bread. But I'm gonna show y'all everything when I get in the car. Y'all just give me a moment. So y'all, I'm back in my car. I'll show y'all my order on the screen. Basically, I came in here for water and a low-calorie bread, which I found. Don't quote me, but I think this bread that I got is 30 calories a slice, which means for 2 pieces, like if I make a sandwich or something, I only have 60 calories. It's like some keto bread, so hopefully it doesn't taste nasty. No, I'm not doing no keto diet. I'm just trying to be in my calorie deficit, and I'm trying to exercise more. I'm signing up for my gym membership next week, so yeah, because the home gym memberships, the home workout, baby, I wasn't doing them. I was getting home and going to bed, laying down. I would get up, go home, clean around the house, but baby, the home workout's not it for me. So I need some money coming out my account every month, and I need to just pay for membership and go. I'm gonna try the famous Members Mark birthday cake thing. They say it's like ice cream and then there's some cake in the middle and then ice cream on top. I never had it before, but I keep hearing people talk about it, so let's try it. Thumbnail. Okay, let's try it, y'all. Y'all, I love Sam's Club and ice cream and frozen yogurt. And I don't know if it's because I'm hungry, but this sprinkles and ice cream really hit it. And they fill it up. Like, one thing about Sam's Club, yeah, you're gonna pay for that membership, but when I go in here, I be spending like over $100. And it's like a little reward. Like, oh, I'm getting me like a little food, a little pizza, a little hot dog, you know. And you also get your gas in too. But I ain't filling up today. I don't need no gas today. But it's really good. I think they only happen until May 1st. So I'm happy I caught it. And mistake me if I'm wrong, but I ain't never seen this on the menu. I guess because it's like their, what, 40th anniversary or something. That's why they doing it. But I never seen them do the birthday cake one. But y'all, I'm finna go to Walmart. I am gonna show you what I got from Walmart. Small little pickup order, y'all already know. I cannot stand going into Walmart if I don't have to. So that's where we finna go now. And I'm gonna show y'all what I got from there too. So y'all, I finally got to the cake part. I'm like literally finna turn into Walmart. So I got into the little cake part. Let's try it. It's bomb, as I figured. And it tastes like it's their cake. It tastes like it's Sam's Club cake. Bomb. Spectacular. Like 10 out of 10. We'll recommend. So y'all, I'm gonna show you my Walmart order. They just brought it out to me. All prices will be on the screen, so check the screen. I got 2 of these. I don't know how y'all pronounce this, but I be like Michelin's. Like, did y'all get the little Michelin meals? I think it's Michelinas. But baby, I remember when these used to be $1. I remember when these used to be 99 cents. But I put the price on the screen. I got 2 of those. I got the fettuccine alfredo with chicken and broccoli. And they're 250 calories each. Just got 2 of those. I got, oh, y'all already know, organic bananas. Look, gotta think organic bananas because y'all know I be doing my protein smoothies. And I'm gonna run up on this little plastic bag because that's what I needed. I got Aviva some baby, not baby, y'all, some sippy cups, the newbie one. Besides the Dollar Tree ones, these are the ones she likes. So I just get these if I don't get them at the Dollar Tree. So and then also that's back there, and y'all can't see my back seat. Hold on, let me get it for y'all. Let me do the vlog right. Hold on. So y'all, I'm in my back seat. We got the mainstays floor lamp clutch. It comes foldable, y'all. All y'all gotta do is put it together and put a light bulb in it. This the flow lamp. Hold on, y'all. That's the flow lamp, y'all. If you on a budget, get you the little flow lamps from Walmart, y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all. I'm trying to put y'all on. Like I said, if y'all trying to save money, you need some lamps, check out your local thrift store. And check out Walmart if you want a new one. They only $9. But that was all we got from the store. And I'm finna go home, y'all. Shower, relax a little bit, and get my house together. I needed this bag so bad, y'all don't even know. It was just a bunch of stuff on my floor. Cause I ain't had no bag to throw my plastic stuff away. So, I wonder if I could still wash this out. Y'all, this been in my car for a minute. This for Aviva. I'm gonna just have to wash it out. Especially with some bleach, cause baby, this been in my car since the weekend I went to my mama's house, right? Yeah, that definitely need to be washed. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next clip.